using the hand and zoom tools to get around, and then get back to the tool that you were using. On the Mac, these momentary tools for moving around the image or zooming in or out take a little bit more finesse than on Windows. So obviously, to get to the hand tool, the spacebar is the key. Just hold the spacebar and the tool will temporarily change to the hand. Then you can move around the image. However, on the Mac, Command spacebar is the universal keyboard shortcut that opens Spotlight, a system-wide feature. It turns out that the order you press the keys in the keyboard shortcut will determine whether Spotlight or Zoom In will activate. So if you press the spacebar first, Zoom In will work. If you press Command first, Spotlight and Zoom In will both try to activate, and this creates chaos. To zoom out, it's fairly easy, just spacebar and Option. Now on my Mac, I've gone into the system settings, keyboard shortcuts, and removed the keyboard shortcuts for Spotlight because I'm an old-time user and I'm used to pressing Command first for this. So I really should get used to doing it the right way, but old dogs, new tricks. If you're in the same scenario, you can change this. However, and this is a problem for me too, because when I go to work in the lab, I can't get to this setting because, it controls the entire computer. Obviously, they lock those down in computer labs. So it's better to just get used to pressing spacebar first to use this functionality in Photoshop. Windows users, you have it easy. Spacebar is key, just like on the Mac. Space is hand. Space Control is zoom in. And space plus Alt is zoom out. So now you have one over on your Mac user friends. Congratulations.